Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cotton candy. First, understand that cotton candy is a delightful confection made from sugar, not something that can breed. To create this sweet treat, you'll need a cotton candy machine. These machines work by heating sugar until it melts, then spinning it at high speeds to form those characteristic fluffy threads. It's a fun and simple process to enjoy at home. To get started, your main tool will be a cotton candy machine. You can find various models, from small home units to larger commercial ones. For ingredients, regular granulated sugar works well, but specialized floss sugar, often pre-colored and flavored, yields excellent results. Don't forget, you can also add a few drops of food coloring and flavor extracts to plain sugar for custom creations. Once your machine is ready, making cotton candy is straightforward. First, preheat your cotton candy machine for about 5 to 10 minutes. Next, carefully add 1 or 2 scoops of your chosen sugar into the machine's center receptacle. As the sugar melts and spins, fine threads will begin to emerge. Gently collect these threads onto a paper cone or stick, rotating it to build up your fluffy treat. For the best cotton candy experience, always keep your machine clean. A quick wipe down after each use prevents sugar buildup. Don't be afraid to experiment with various types of sugar and flavorings to discover your favorite combinations. You can create unique colors and tastes. Also, for those who love to read, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade cotton candy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.